Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're now gonna work on the WRX. We're doing phase 1. We're still in the diagnosing phase, but right now we're gonna replace one of the issues that's causing the car to clunk, is the coilovers. So we did get some in. We got it from Subispeed, which was the only one that had it in stock, and I believe it was the last one in stock. It took us about 2 weeks to even get them. We got stuck in a snowstorm, but it's here now. It came with the car with a bunch of things. It came through a transportation company, and it was like the first time I even dealt with a transportation company like that. And it went fairly smooth. It took about 3 days to get here, including today. So if overall we want to count, technically it was like 48 hours because it came this morning. And yeah, let me show you. Owner told me that the car is on Raceland coilovers. Not sure if he did it or the owner previous from him did it, but we're gonna swap those out with Fortune Autos. Definitely want to try these out. Tried BC with my previous car, which was the Lexus, and wanted to like take it up a notch. I was gonna go bags, but that's probably gonna wait, and I'm not in the mood to go bags at the moment. Not really, it's not necessary for me, nor don't want to take that route at the moment. Still want to be static, and Fortune Autos is the way to go. So let's try this out. Let's get this installed. All right, so from what I know, 3 over here, which I'm assuming are 14s. Unfortunately, I don't have long ones, so I may have to make a trip for that. So it looks like these are 2 19s. Whole thing's rusted. Okay, so far we got nowhere. This is really hard to kind of record. I don't know how long these cords have been here. Also, it's a car that's been up north, so it has seen the winters. These bolts are pretty stuck on there. They're kind of rusted. So I threw some PB Blaster. Now I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and try to take them out again. I was hitting it with the impact and it was not budging. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes and go from there. So what we have done so far is remove each wheel. We were able to take out the rears. Okay, so once you take out the wheel, you have 1 bolt in the bottom holding the coilover, and it's a 17 on both sides. The nut is on this side, facing the front, and there should be 2 or 3 nuts in the top. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, it's over here. This little piece over here, I gotta take this out. Give me a second. Okay, so definitely take everything out. Makes your life way easier. This just popped out like so, and boom, the nuts are exposed. It's 3 actually. 1, 2, and 3. I think this is a 14. Yeah, I'm assuming that's a 14 as well. Alright guys, we're back. Another day. Last night wasn't, well, yesterday wasn't. Didn't go as planned. Yesterday didn't go as planned. Coilovers and the bolts are pretty rusted, like bad. Undercarriage wise is not just the bolts and the coilovers is. So it's a bit difficult to take out at the moment. The rears were a bit easier than the fronts. The fronts are not budging at all. I have the passenger rear already removed. I need to work on the driver rear. I'm gonna try to focus on the rears since those are out. Put those in, lock those in. However, I can't finish everything because the bolts are so rusted that they're not reusable. I ordered brand new bolts and nuts from Subaru. They should be here, I wouldn't say tomorrow, but I did get an email stating that my front bumper and fender are coming Tuesday. So I'm not sure if the pieces are coming on Tuesday with it or what the case is, I will give them a call and I will keep you updated in the next. So let me show you guys what I've done so far. Alright, so far this is the damage I've done so far. It is the cause of what is called a nut splitter. It uses like a chisel and we drill it and it kind of breaks off the nut. For now, can't do much. I'm gonna try to, I already hit it with PB Blaster. And I let it sit there for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna try it again. Try to see if it comes out, and if it doesn't, then I'm gonna keep trying to chisel it to try to break off the nut. Last resort is to torch it, which I'm not trying to do right now. I'll be right back, give me a second. We're back and we came home with a few things. We ended up buying a torch for the nut that doesn't want to come off. We did also get an LED, wait, it's over here, an LED bulb, well, kind of like a panel, flush mount, whatever, to go up there so I can have more visibility. This is the damage to it right now thus far. We're gonna see if we can take it out again and go from there. Voila. Alright, so we got the bottom one out. Boom. And the top one is almost coming out, but since I broke it, it's a little hard to grab it. Alright, so we broke the nut, so now it's just stuck there, so we're gonna use a little chisel and try to take it out. Alright, so let's clean all of this up a little bit with some degreaser and some brushes. So after further evaluation, we have the rear strut installed. The front one's about to go next, but I'm about to work on this one, on the driver rear. And we found that the exhaust is not connected. So let's take a closer look. As you can see there, it's a little bent and it's out. I think I need a flange there, or it just was supposed to be all together. Alright, so we removed the top bolt. The bottom bolt is giving us a trouble. We sprayed it with PB Blaster just now, so we're gonna give it some time. Alright guys, so we finished doing all 4 coilovers that were Raceland are now out of the car completely. 2 in the rear are Fortunatos. They're in. The bottom bolts aren't bolted on completely because I ordered new hardware for both the front and the back. So at the moment the car's without front coilovers at the moment, and the rear is just secured with the old ones for now until the new hardware comes in. So this car is going to stay here like this for another couple days. It's now Thursday night. They said it's estimated to arrive on Tuesday, So by Tuesday night, everything should be officially on the car. Hey guys, we're back. So we're gonna finish completing the suspension today. Hopefully everything goes well. I just got a notification that the parts came in early. It was supposed to come tomorrow, but they came in today. So we're gonna go get that. Right now it's pouring rain in Florida right now. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to like something like this, like a project, I need to like get it done really fast for some reason. Especially when I don't know what's going on. I need to like get these things done so that I can get onto the next step to see what else is going on. So let's go get this real quick. It's bolts, bumper, fender, a couple nuts here and there. I need 2 lug nuts as well. 2 lug nuts were missing in the back wheels. I'm gonna pick those up. I was gonna get new lug nuts, but might as well just get the 2 lug nuts for now, just to hold down the wheel properly. And let's go. The bumper here, fender. We got the bolts. So we got everything secured. Let's go home and then get everything on. Alright guys, so we got the bolts. Let's put them in. Let's take this out because this one goes in the bottom. So we're gonna take the one that we had that was holding it at the top. So let's put it in the bottom. Okay, so definitely I had issues with the bottom one, and it was because I was trying to salvage it, but it was definitely messed up because the nut didn't want to grab on after a few threads. I put on the new bolt that thankfully I ordered, and it went in perfectly fine. Leave it at that. I think during this weekend I'm gonna work on a few other things, which I will do in another vlog. As of now, I'm not sure whether to conclude this or continue.